Section 377 has been demonized, and rightly so. In a landmark judgment which had the Quint's entire newsroom jumping and clapping and laughing, the Supreme Court today partially struck down Section 377. In the legal terms, the Supreme Court read down or diluted the provisions of Section 377. Now, there's a lot of debate and confusion about what exactly that means. It is good news, and we'll tell you why. The Chief Justice of India and Justice Khanvilkar in their judgment said that Section 377 has been partially struck down, that it will not apply to consensual same-sex acts between homosexuals, heterosexuals and lesbians. But Section 377, the two of them said, will apply to bestiality and sexual acts without consent by one of them. This has to be seen in context of how we define rape in India under Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 375, which is the rape laws which govern us, are not gender neutral. The Indian law essentially considers rape to be a crime perpetrated by a man against a woman who is not his wife. Now, if Section 377 were to be totally struck down, then there would be no redressal for victims of sodomy. Only a woman, remember, can invoke Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code, which defines, I repeat myself, as the offence of rape. And a woman too generally cannot invoke this unless she is raped by a man who is not her husband. Now, having laws which are gender neutral is the ideal situation, laws which recognize individual rights and not just gender specific rights. But till that happens, the reading down or the dilution of Section 377 is still great news, as it has decriminalized consensual relations between homosexuals, heterosexuals and lesbians, as the court said.